do you want to go all the way to Dallas? Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like when I first moved here and I realized there was no
Annie, use a bit.
Hi, my name is Brian Halliday.
I'm Brandon Brown.
I'm Justin Roderman.
We are on the hunt to find the best barbecue in the world.
And if we can't find it, I'm gonna goddamn make it.
No, you're not.
So we've been at this for a while.
By the way, I'm living in Jordan now. With my own basement apartment.
My own living room, my own bedroom, my own kitchen.
Not really, my homestay family uses this one. And my own bathroom. With my own bidet.
So the whole thing started with Justin catching a flight to Dallas. Once he got there, he hopped in the car with Brian and Benny, and they picked up Connor.
Crystal clear audio. Justin, put your pants on.
You guys remember Connor, right?
Do it.
All four of them made their way down to Austin to spend the weekend with me, where we would go to 5 barbecue joints in the span of 4 days, starting with La Barbecue in Austin, Texas.
Stop! What's up, nerds?
This dude gave me the full tour.
We're just talking shit about you.
This dude gave me the full tour of the entire thing. It was so cool, yeah.
We're over at La Barbecue. Initial impressions, ambiance is definitely like, ambiance is 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10? Bro, they ran out of half the shit.
No.
The ambiance.
Then do you have availability? Is that a category? Because it's got to be like how often they run out of shit. Because I've actually had Pecan Lodge. I've never had La Barbecue because it's not available.
Just finished our meal at La Barbecue. It was the best one on my list so far, and the first one. What'd you think, Justin? What?
Cool tubs on a hot day.
You think you're gonna leave Austin?
I have severe
stage fright.
So it was annoying because they ran out of brisket, so we only had chopped brisket. So it was okay. It wasn't the best.
Should have gone to Cooper's.
It's not a joke.
All right, we're going to Franklin's next. Wait, what are we going to?
It's 9 a.m. Brandon, Brian, and Justin all woke up 2 hours ago to head to Franklin's. Connor and I slept in a little bit, but we're about to join them.
That's not happening.
Annie, use a bitch.
I just wanna get it with you. Such a fine girl, baby, we'd be better as two. So divine with the way that you be moving them hips. I'm alive when we touching and you pressing your lips. Like, baby, you should dance around. Got the bass so fat and the ass so loud. Like, I just wanna groove with you. My 2 or 3, something I could get to you. Baby, let's all get down. Tryna hit a body in your party town. Your booty on my body and I'm bossing down. You such a thick bitch, baby, you should hit the ground. Let's dance.
Connor, are you coming?
You wanna see the smokehouse?
Hey, everything that's metal in here will burn you. Come on in.
All we need's a little weed up in the system. Night up in NYC, the ecstasy inspired me. Got my feet moving on this high beat. Got in the shit with a fake ID, and this fat ass girl started dancing at me. I ain't got bills, I ain't got money, but I got thrill that's making me dumb.
Let me say this: the brisket was 100% better than the barbecue, right? The brisket here is better than the barbecue. Almost perfect day, no question. You can't like, you can't. Yeah, we're unfairly judging the barbecue. Yeah, true. I enjoy the brisket back in Dallas.
The word you're looking for is blasphemy.
I know, yes, I agree, but
You know what's really good?
although I must say,
Barbecue?
the ribs, those ribs were the best ribs I've ever had. By hands down, best ribs.
Beef rib or pork rib?
Both. Where are we going next? Nickelweights tonight, 2M tomorrow.
We're gonna take it now. 2M and dead.
Alright, so I have to use an external mic because they're asleep and I don't want to wake them up. But it's 10:30 on Sunday. 2M barbecue opens up in half an hour, and they're all still passed out. Thinking the barbecue side of this trip may have died a very painful death. When Justin said, time for a nap, he meant it.
We're gonna take it now.
We all ended up sleeping until about 10 p.m. We went to a graduation party, stayed there until 5 a.m., and missed the rest of the trip. Monday morning rolled around, and I made my move back to Florida for the summer. But to be entirely honest, I don't mind at all. I had an incredible weekend with some of the most amazing friends in my life. We went from let's go see 5 barbecue joints in 4 days to spending an entire Sunday in the apartment just hanging out. I'm perfectly okay with the way that weekend turned out. I've known these kids my entire life, basically. I've been going on adventures with them as long as we've been able to get out of the house. These guys are the closest friends I think you could ask for. Someday we'll do a video with Benny where we won't spend the entire time making him wish he wasn't filming with us.
Go again. No. Alright. Hey. If we're recording, we gotta record, bro. We're doing this again?
But we'll keep making videos, we'll keep having adventures together even if we aren't making videos, because these are some of my best friends. So, here's to a weekend that went wrong in all the right ways. Cheers, boys.
Say it one more time, a little louder.
You really want me saying it louder with a little girl over there?
You know what?
It's really hot. Yeah.